Good morning. Good to be back on Sunrise. Had a nice, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday break with my family over Thanksgiving, which was great. Anyway, coming back to the headline today, of course, being the wind advisory. This is not going to impact all of us, but some of us, right? This is a classic east wind event that's strictly coming through the Columbia River Gorge. You know, sometimes we get east winds that the overall gradient, we call it, is strong enough that you get east winds literally tumbling over the Cascades, and you get strong winds up and down the I-5 corridor. That's not the case this time. It's primarily going to be limited to immediate, what we call outflow areas near the gorge. Stratford's been gusting, last time I looked, as high as 43 miles per hour. And the best chance of a 40 to maybe 50 mile per hour wind gust today will be out there in East Multnomah County and areas in proximity to the Columbia River. Once you get away from that immediate area, still windy at times in Washington County, for example, but generally gusts no higher than 35 miles per hour. Most of the day would just be kind of 15 to 20, 25. And then there's a lot of us that are blocked from that east wind. Like where I live in Clark County, we're technically in the wind advisory, but we won't get the east wind today. And it was frosty and calm at my house this morning. So that wind advisory, Portland metro area up into Clark County, you know if you get the east wind or not. No advise you by the time you get down to Salem or north up into Longview. Okay, now the east wind's giving us gorgeous sunshine. We'll be enjoying that. Temperatures may hit 50 or better today in parts of the valley, so that's fantastic. Overnight tonight, the wind advisory expires at 4 p.m., and then once we get into this evening, the main threat of those 40 to 50 mile per hour winds will come to an end. But the overall pattern of cold air settling over the Columbia Basin, the East Gorge out toward Pendleton, that will be in play for the next several days, and that will be producing gusty winds in the gorge and could still maybe produce a 35 to 40 mile per hour wind gust in East Multnomah County on Thursday. But those winds will become increasingly limited to that immediate gorge area. More of the rest of the valley, including Portland, will start to calm down, and that'll get us into freezing temperatures in more areas the next several days. Now, there is a system that kind of brushes us by as it falls apart. It basically moves to our north. But that comes in tomorrow. And I've been saying partly cloudy skies for tomorrow, but Futurecast likes it to be more like a mostly cloudy Thursday with that passing clouds. And then Friday, that is gone. And then Friday, with winds even calmer, we'll start to get into more areas seeing morning fog. And then you break out of that at some point and warm into the 40s. The next weather system we have coming in is Saturday overnight, Sunday morning. Looks to be a weak wind. At most 15 100ths, 2/10 of an inch of rain in Portland Saturday overnight into Sunday morning. There is concern that this cold air will still be in play in the gorge and not get scoured out. So that moisture coming into the gorge into early Sunday morning could produce some icy or freezing precipitation. Would be light amounts, but there's at least a chance that would be enough to make some roads slick. So we'll be watching that. Otherwise, the next system is a stronger one. That comes in, it looks like, Tuesday overnight of next week into Wednesday morning, and that brings some colder air and hopefully gets into some decent fresh mountain snow as well. So that's everything I'm watching. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving holiday. It's good to be back, and enjoy the rest of this beautiful but windy in spots sunny Wednesday.